Dear friends, we saw that day about the blessing. Today we see the same time the blessing. Deuteronomy 4:40 there is written, therefore you shall keep his statutes and his commandments, which I command you today, that it may go well with you and with your children after you, and that you may prolong your days in the land that the Lord your God is giving you for all time. Therefore you shall keep his statutes. If you keep the statutes, God's statutes and his commandment, which today is given the commandment, and before he given, but Moses, through Moses we are getting this commandment, and written that it may go well with you and with your children after you, and that you may prolong your days in that land that the Lord your God is giving you for all time. That's why the blessing will be always we can understand. Deuteronomy 21 to chapter 20 verse 1. Deuteronomy chapter 28 verse 1. And if you faithfully obey the voice of the Lord your God, and God given this to the Moses, God told to Moses, and at the same time Moses telling to the peoples. And if you faithfully obey the voice of the Lord your God, being careful to do all his commandments that I command you today, the Lord your God will set you high above all the nations of the earth. The blessing. Blessing is the different way, and every area of your life, and you can got the blessing. And you will be availability, survive by availability, and you will be survive by availability, unlimited availability, everything facility. It means you are in every way convenience. Your life will journey always will be convenience and unlimited blessing. And here Deuteronomy chapter 30 verse 16, if you obey the commandments of the Lord your God that I command you today, Moses telling to his peoples. And this word is not only for the Israelite, and this word is for all believers in the world. If you obey the commandments of the Lord your God that I command you today, by loving the Lord your God, by walking in his way, and by keeping his commandments and his statutes and his rules, then you shall live and multiply, and the Lord your God will bless you in the land that you are entering into the possession of it. The Lord your God will bless you. And a blessing. And many believers, many people thinking that how can I get a blessing? How can we get the blessing? How can we get the blessing? Blessing only Deuteronomy 28 verse 1. If you faithfully obey the voice of the Lord your God. What a voice given, God's word given, faithfully we have to obey. And carefully to do all His commandments. Then only God can bless us abundantly, aboundingly. And Deuteronomy 30 verse 16 also, and the Lord, your second page, the last page is written, and the Lord your God will bless you in the land that you entering to take possession of, where you are surviving, where you are staying. You may be in the villages, or you may be in the town, or you may be any other country, wherever you are staying. And God will bless you. And if you are looking, book of Psalm chapter 1, verse 1 and 2, blessed is the man who walketh not in the counts of the wicked. Faithfully we are looking into Deuteronomy chapter 30, Deuteronomy chapter 28 verse 1. We have to faithfully obey the voice of the Lord our God. Deuteronomy 30 verse 16, we have to obey the commandments of the Lord our God by loving the Lord our God, by walking in His way and keeping His commandment and His statutes and His rules and regulations. We have to be survive under the control of God's rules and regulations. Everywhere you go, there is rules and regulation. Every college, school, office, everywhere, company, private company, government company, everywhere there is rules and regulation. While a person is working a government office, he have a rules and regulation.